Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to see recently visited Facebook pages on your Android device. This is a great feature if you want to quickly access a page that you recently visited on Facebook. First things first, make sure that you have the Facebook app installed on your Android device and that you're logged in. Once you're in, look for the three stacked lines in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This is also known as the hamburger menu. Tap on the three stacked lines, and a menu will appear. Look for the Pages button and tap on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can see all the Facebook pages that you manage. To see your recently visited Facebook pages, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Recently Visited. Tap on it, and it will show you all the pages that you recently visited. You can choose to access any of the pages by tapping on them. This will take you to the page's timeline where you can see all the recent posts, updates, and other activities. And that's it. That's how you see recently visited Facebook pages on your Android device. It's a great feature that can save you time and make it easier to access the pages that you frequently visit. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.